Hi, I'm Ed McCurdy MC, DJ VJEd here with Alliance Home Inspections, and we're riding with Troy. You'll remember last time we had just finished inspecting the cabin, so now it's time to see the process of flying the drone for the roof inspection and also get a little sightseeing done from overhead. We now have enough 4K video footage to extract photos for the roof inspection. These photos can be enlarged as well to really get a feel for the condition of the roof and even the flashing around the chimney. We don't always fly a drone on a roof this small, but our next house is a bit more tricky, and we also wouldn't want to miss the beautiful views you're about to see. So let's take a ride up a little bit higher and take a look around this beautiful slice of Maine. All around you is Swans Island, about a 35-minute ferry ride from Bass Harbor, Maine. So that gives us all the information we need for the inspection of this property, so we drive down the road to our second island inspection of the day. We have a lot to do, including a septic inspection, and it all needs to be done in time to meet the last ferry of the day at 2 p.m. See you next time on Alliance Home Inspections Riding with Troy. I'm VJEd.